Hi there! In this episode, we would like to provide you with useful information about gasoline direct injection. However, we don't want to explain your job to you because you are the experts in the workshop.
But what we can do is providing you with some interesting details about gasoline direct injection parts. So our today's Bosch TechNugget is about high-pressure gasoline pumps. On top of that, there is a separate episode explaining the Bosch high-pressure injectors. So let's start. What makes high-pressure pumps so interesting for workshops?
In passenger car mass production, gasoline direct injection has been around since 1995, and utilization has been increasing steadily in original equipment applications ever since. Today, the vast majority of gasoline passenger cars is equipped with direct injection, and as a result of hybridization, the market will continue to grow. The need for reliable service and repair is growing accordingly. The main advantage of gasoline direct injection is a more efficient use of the energy in the fuel,
Which means more engine power.
and lower fuel consumption. Let's explain the gasoline direct injection system in a nutshell. With gasoline direct injection, there is always a low pressure and a high pressure section in the engine fuel supply. The fuel pump delivers fuel from the tank to the high pressure pump at an upstream pressure of 1.0 to 4.5 bar. The high pressure pump raises the pressure up to 350 bar. The high pressure injectors are connected to the fuel rail, which serves as fuel accumulator. There is no fuel return as you know it from the diesel common rail system. So the gasoline flows via the pump into the rail and right to the injectors, and from there it gets injected directly into the combustion chamber.
What types of pumps does Bosch offer? There are several generations of high-pressure pumps which essentially differ in terms of pressures and sizes. Technological development has increased the possible pressure from 100 bar initially to up to 350 bar at present. The pumps are driven mechanically via a dedicated cam on the camshaft. The fuel pressure is demand-controlled, means only the required amount of fuel is pumped into the rail to achieve the desired pressure. This saves pump energy. Let's take a look at the high-pressure pump and its function. The fuel is provided with relatively low pressure from the tank. There are different connections in the upper or lateral area. The fuel flows through the chamber into the quantity control valve. This valve is controlled electrically by the engine control unit and allows only the required amount flowing into the high-pressure chamber. The effect? Reduced fuel consumption and thus less emissions. In the conveying area, the fuel is compressed by the pump piston until the desired pressure is reached. The pump piston is driven by the camshaft via a roller tappet. The high-pressure connection of the pump is connected to the fuel rail.
How to install and remove a high-pressure pump. When removing or installing the pump, the fastening screws, usually 2, must be loosened or tightened evenly so that the piston does not jam. Ideally, position the crankshaft or the camshaft so that the pump is not on a cam tip. When removing it, it's unfortunately often not visible. At least, when installing the pump, the piston should meet a cam low. You can find the complete how-to video for removal and installation of high-pressure pumps on our YouTube channel.
Which errors may occur? Low fuel quality, particles in the fuel system, or follow-on failures from another defect can cause premature failures. Rare defects that can occur are jammed valves or worn plungers. So if you ever need a new high-pressure pump, check on the Bosch offer. There are ready-to-install ones right out of the box. They have a high-quality standard and are very robust.
The demand for competent maintenance and repair of gasoline direct injection vehicles will remain or even likely increase in future. Bosch wants to be your partner in the workshops by providing you reliable spare parts and tools,
comprehensive diagnostic equipment,
and training also on demand. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and visit our website.